Hi, Leslie. How can we help you today?
I have some questions regarding my husband. How can I distinguish between a fear avoidant spouse who is running from commitment and a true values incompatibility?
Mm-hmm.
Does that indicate true conviction or emotional burnout on my spouse? We've been married for 14 years. This is our third separation. He's the one that has left me every time, and this time he's telling me that we should have stayed separated since the first time that he left me. Um, because as much as he tried, we're not compatible according to him, and because of my controlling behavior, he wouldn't be able to be himself anymore.
Mm-hmm.
He had to change things about him that he doesn't like anymore. He doesn't like who he's become, and I kind of stopped him from pursuing his dreams, like becoming a musician or a painter, things that like that. Like, but overall, like he just doesn't feel like I accepted who he was, and
Did you
we
accept
actually,
who he was
uh,
and support what he wanted to do?
I didn't accept who he was, like parts of him, because he would be kind of like crass sometimes, like whenever we were like in social situations, and afterwards I would tell him like, oh, you shouldn't be saying this or you shouldn't be saying that, and things like that. So he takes it as like, oh, I was controlling. Also, the fact that I'm the kind of person that I'm like, oh, this way it's better, like if you do things my way, it'll work out better.
So, can you see how that
So,
is controlling, Leslie?
oh yeah, 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 and I actually started applying that being controlling since last year when he left me in June,
Mm-hmm.
and he told me that he sees the changes, but he thinks that they're not like not permanent, and even if they were like that, it's good for me because that way I can apply it for the next guy. That's what he tells me. Like he doesn't want compromise. He tells me that he's not made up for marriage. Like there's certain people that are made for built up for marriage, some others aren't, and he's one of those who aren't. But he fooled himself and he thought he could,
So,
but it's not
Leslie,
what he wants.
does it
Mhm.
matter if he is fearful avoidant or not? Why does that matter?
Um, I guess because I kind of wanna think that I have hope for him to maybe change his mind and give it another chance at our marriage.
And knowing that he's
Like,
fearful avoidant versus not knowing what attachment style he is would give you more hope,
mm, no, not really. I'm not sure.
right? I think at the end of the day,
Mhm.
Leslie, you've said you've noticed the changes that you need to make within yourself. You can own that. You've been doing it. He's seen change in you. Your concern right now is it's not happening as fast as you want it to. But Leslie, this has been happening for 14 years. And so perhaps you continuing to be consistent in the changes that you're already doing. That's what we say. If anything works, this will. Continuing to do the right things will be what works to ultimately put your marriage back together. It's been falling apart for a longer period of time than for the period of time you've been working on it right now. It's going to take time to put it back together, but the best thing that you can do is be consistent in changing your actions and changing the behaviors that ultimately pushed your spouse away to begin with.